Hey, another quick one today. This is a switch. Knight Capital called it PowerPeg. By 2012, it was supposed to be dead code. It wasn't. 45 minutes after the opening bell on August 1st, it had cost one Wall Street firm $460 million. That's not a typo. 45 minutes. Meet Knight Capital. Not a household name, but a trading firm that once handled almost 1 in every 10 shares traded in America. Its computers made the trades. Actual humans mostly just watched, which is fine, right up until the computer is quietly running 2 different programs that were never supposed to meet. Back in 2003, Knight built a small test feature called PowerPeg. It pushed practice orders around just to check that new code worked. By 2005, nobody used PowerPeg anymore, so Knight did what everyone does with old code. They left it exactly where it was. In 2012, Knight built a real new feature, one that would let it trade in a new program at the New York Stock Exchange. To save time, whoever wrote it reused an old flag already sitting in the code. The exact same flag PowerPeg used to switch itself on. Whoever built the new feature figured the old PowerPeg code was long gone. It wasn't. Nobody had actually deleted it. They just stopped calling it. Nothing in software is ever really deleted. It's just asleep. The new code went out to 8 identical servers that route Knight's orders. 7 of them got it cleanly. 1 did not. And nobody noticed. August 1st, 2012, 8:01 in the morning. That 8th server starts spitting out error messages. 97 of them, actually. Nobody reads them. The market doesn't open for another hour and 29 minutes. 9:30 a.m., the market opens, and that one leftover server wakes PowerPeg back up, using the new flag as its alarm clock. PowerPeg does exactly what it was built to do back in 2003. It starts firing rapid buy and sell orders over and over as fast as it can. In minute 1, it's a glitch. In minute 5, it's 154 stocks. By minute 15, it's placed over 200 parent orders that have splintered into 4 million individual trades. Almost 400 million shares. In 15 minutes. Knight's own engineers finally see the volume and try to fix it, the obvious way. They pull the new code back off the broken server, which does not remove PowerPeg. It just removes the one thing that was keeping it in check. The bug doesn't stop, it spreads to all 8 servers. 45 minutes after the opening bell, someone finally kills the power. By then, Knight is holding $3.5 billion it never meant to buy, and $3.15 billion it never meant to sell. A trading firm had, very briefly, become the world's most aggressive day trader against itself. The math? Over $460 million. Gone. Knight's entire cash reserve was $365 million. They had lost more money than they had. In under an hour. Knight had 48 hours to find $400 million or go under. 6 different investors stepped in: Jefferies, Blackstone, Getco, TD Ameritrade, Stifel, and Stevens. 6 rescuers for a company taken down by one leftover switch. Knight survived the weekend. It did not survive the year. Within months, Getco, one of its own rescuers, bought what was left and renamed it KCG Holdings. The company that rescued Knight also, eventually, just became Knight. The SEC's fine for all of it? $12 million. Less than what PowerPeg spent in about 90 seconds. PowerPeg wasn't malicious. It wasn't even broken. It just did its job. Perfectly. 8 years after everyone forgot it existed. Somewhere, in some system you use today, there's probably a PowerPeg of its own. Old code, old flag, still wired in, just waiting. It's probably fine. All right, that's the story. Hit subscribe if you want more of these.